There's Phil.
Yeah, that was it.
This is our buddy Phil. And what do you
That's
do,
one out.
Phil? Tell us what you do, Phil.
I changed glass.
In
Repair.
windows. And we got a broken window here. We're
Yes,
gonna.
sir.
Better with that glass.
Huh?
Oh, hi.
There's nobody coming along.
Nobody coming along to take over this type of work, right?
That's right.
Here, I'm coming out to talk to Phil.
I gotta get my shoes
So you're a hard worker.
Oh, I try to just work.
You do a great job.
We don't work hard, we work smart.
Yes. Except for Angelo, he does work hard. That work ain't no joke.
You got things lined up for this spring?
Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Mine doesn't break until people get their checks back.
Oh, I got it.
Because they don't want me in the house during the winter.
I get it.
They're afraid of cold air coming in.
Yeah.
So we changed this, but then we got those super low temperatures and then it cracked.
Yep.
So now we have to do it again.
So basically, it didn't set up then, so, right?
What?
It being.
Well, it probably expanded a little bit and it cracked, right?
What happens is when it gets cold, it shrinks. When it shrinks, it puts pressure on the glass, and the corners are the weakest point.
Oh. You're gonna be a star on our channel. You are amazing.
You want me to throw that away?
You want to throw it away? You're gonna get it all over your hands.
Trash is going out today.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Phil, if I cut myself, can I sue you?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
I was never here.
Sue everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody gets too happy, don't they?
Nobody sues me, Phil. I got a backhoe, and they don't see him too much. They don't see him after a month.
I like that idea.
Yeah, and then the lawsuit's dismissed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Where did they go? They went on a permanent vacation.
that's right.
See, Michelle, he's using that good glue.
Mm-hmm.
Silicone.
Just like that.
You had a busy year last year?
Yeah, I had a good year last year. Real good.
Just couldn't find any helpers.
That was a tough one. Tough. You have to wait, you know, you call a homeowner, you set up a date, call a helper, help can't make it. And so he can make it the following week, but the homeowner can't.
Oh, so basically, it's you do it by yourself,
Yeah,
like always.
like always.
Hey, that fit a lot nicer.
You like that, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a little bit of room to expand now.
That's right. It's just like we have notches on our belt, so when winter comes, we eat a little more, we can expand.
Yeah. I look like a Chippendale at summertime.
I advertise that, eh?
You know the Chris Farley's Chippendale.
There you go.
Yeah, but in wintertime, you kind of look like Santa.
Yeah, I know. That's right, Mrs. Claus.
No, see, that was all there is to it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
That was it?
Yeah, I'm all done.
See that?
And if
Amazing.
you do it right in the right neighborhood, you get bucks.
You can get some pretty good money. That's what I tell the
That was
kids,
weird.
but they
It
don't want to
seemed
do
like
it.
It took forever, but everything was it's cold and wait, was it cold?
No, wasn't too bad. Hey, we got all year.
Yeah, she's like that with all the windows, anyways.
Is that
Right,
what-
Mom?
You're gonna be in trouble.
Yeah, he's like that to me all the time.
I'm the boss in the house there.
Oh, missed.
That's what he's always thinking. Look at your phone's ringing off the hook, Phil.
Yeah. You can wait.
Great. Look at that. Amazing.
There you go.
I timed this. It was less than 7 minutes it took you to do that.
Oh, damn, that's good.
Did Phil see our mess back there
What mess?
in our back?
No, show him. Go
Come on,
show
Phil,
him.
come over here.
Oh, that's what you were talking about before.
Well, the problem is, we're gonna put, this is where our vanity was, our toilet, our walk-in closet,
Yeah?
right here, and this is my closet. Well, found out that these joists are not strong enough to hold tile.
Oh my God.
So this is a 16-foot span. I
So-
have to break the drywall downstairs
Yeah?
and slide the 2x10s in there and rest it over there on the microland and beef up one or two of these.
So you got a double each one?
We have to see what we can do because I got that light downstairs with a kitchen.
Right.
You know,
We gotta see where
but
we can fit it
I
in.
got issues with like electrical and everything else. But pros and cons with that. I know that we had air filtration going
Yeah.
through here. And I
Oh,
thought
no,
it.
it'd be a good time to
Yeah.
insulate it.
But
Big time.
it's just. It's like-
Because you don't want a cold floor in the bathroom.
And it's costing this money and that money.
I
It
know.
always does.
I was gonna do it. Now the plumber's gonna do it. and
When do you have time?
That's the
It's
thing.
so funny when you freak out in the wintertime. You're wondering, am I gonna have work? All of a sudden, you got work and you got to get things in line.
Yeah.
And when do you have time?
Yeah.
Mentally,
Yeah.
you are a basket case. You're not thinking about this project.
See, my winter ends. My work ends around first, second week of December, and I won't see. Let's see, March, April, end of March, beginning of April is when I start rolling again.
Good. You know that your mind can.
Well, I get so relaxed. I
Good.
want to get up in the morning.
Well, you look good. You know what I mean? With me, I just keep eating. But
I eat 5-6 times a day.
you know.
He probably eats 8 or
but
9.
you don't see what kind of food I eat in one time a day, right?
Yeah.
Like I said, you let the professionals do the professional
Yeah.
work.
I hear you.
I can do the demo work. There's no problem with that.
That's right. Looks good.
Hey Phil, it broke again. Come on back. I got a good deal. Do 15, I'll give you one window free.
Not bad. Not
See,
bad.
I
I
do
like
that.
that.
Well, thank you, Phil.
You're welcome.
You're awesome.
You're the
Any
best, buddy.
advice to this upcoming generation?
Learn how to work.